All right, when looking at our homework, simplifying radicals for day 1, our goal is to get the radical into its simplest form. We're going to do that by breaking down the piece that we need to square root. We're going to only deal with whole numbers, so we cannot place these into the calculator. And I'm looking for factors to multiply together that equal 8, with one of them being a perfect square. I can create 8 by multiplying 4 times 2. This negative 3 has already been used, so it just gets brought straight down. Now square root of 4 can be simplified as 2. Square root of 2 cannot be simplified. So now that I've done the square root of 4, it will now be multiplied by this negative 3, so our final answer is negative 6 square root 2. On number 2, if you look, you've got addition and subtraction signs incorporated in your problem, but our first goal is to simplify where we can. So if we look at the square root of 12, the way to get our answer here is we're going to have the square root of 4 times square root of 3 minus, this is as simplified as it can get, 6 square root 3. This final one, square root of 9, can be simplified as 3 because 9 is perfect square. Now the last thing I need to do to get these to simplified form so that I'm ready to do the operations is I need to do square root of 4, which is going to be 2. So 2 square root 3 minus 6 square root 3 plus 3. Well, 2 square root 3 minus 6 square root 3, these are considered like terms. So this would be negative 4 square root 3 plus 3. The last one on this page, on the page that I'm going to give an example for, is number 3. I've got negative 2/5 square root 300. 300 can be broken down into square root of 100 times the square root of 3. The negative 2/5 gets brought straight down. Now square root of 100 can be simplified as 10. So now my last step is to do negative 2/5 times 10. So if I did negative 2 times 10, that's negative 20, divided by 5 is going to be negative 4 square root 3.